Hello and welcome to a rare unboxing video on Holly Hill RC. Now it's not going to be an in-depth unboxing showing every bag and every part because this Tamiya kit has been released before and there are plenty of detailed unboxing videos on YouTube already. But this version has just been released and it has a pre-painted body, and that's what I want to concentrate on in this video because I couldn't find anything on YouTube showing it before I ordered it last month. And here we have a Tamiya 47515 MB01 Mini Cooper racing kit. And this is the one with the pre-painted body. And there it is. So I'll just take out these few bags so we can get to it. And take out the body. So here we are, the Mini Cooper pre-painted blue body. Now I must admit I am surprised because the last Tamiya kit I bought with a pre-painted body was my CC02 Ford Bronco, and that was actually already pre-cut as well. This one obviously isn't, although looking at that, I don't know if you can see that in this poor light, but it looks like it has the wheel arches already cut, so phew, that's quite handy. Yeah, that's good. So I obviously just have to cut around these other lines. It does have some film on it to protect it. The only thing I wish they wouldn't do in the Tamiya kits with the pre-painted bodies is drill the body post holes. They did this with the Bronco. Personally, I'd like them not to do that because it would be nice to use magnets and have a nice clean look. But it is what it is. And thankfully, I am pleased to find out that the grille is actually pre-painted. So there we go, the pre-painted body. So if anybody is watching who's been thinking about buying this version with the pre-painted body, I hope you found this video helpful. And in the not too distant future, I will be doing a build video. So for now, thank you very much for watching.